All right, we're going to get this leveled up. I do have it a 1/4 inch per foot slope that direction though, for drainage. And I also have it a 1/4 inch slope this way for drainage, so draining away from the house and away from the driveway. So that ought to do it. I'm gonna just mix up cement and shove it underneath here. Make sure you get yourself some gloves. You don't want this cement stuff on your hands. There it is, all grouted in, even on the inside. So next step I gotta do is get some rock right across here to straighten this edge out. Should come right through here. Anyway, I'm off to get some rock. Well, apparently, place I got my rock at was closed on Monday. I knew they were closed on Sunday, so, well, I guess they get to have a weekend off somewhere, Sunday and Monday. So I guess I'll head up there tomorrow on Tuesday, and I'll catch you guys then. All right, got me another load of rock here. Let's go ahead and put that around that manhole I built. And it rained a little bit yesterday, so I didn't get this yesterday. But today it's a good day. It's up in the mid-50s. When we're out here working, it gets warm. Anyhow, let's get that rock moved over there and around that manhole and straighten out that RV pad and hopefully back this RV in there. That's a lot better. Of course, I got a lot more rock to put in here and there, but this should be plenty of room to get my fifth wheel backed up in here and out of the way, you know, so I get this over here rocked. So, alrighty. And I'm gonna try to back that into that RV pad that I just built. See how it all works out. I'm sure the RV will probably sink into that gravel just a little bit. We'll find out. she is all backed in there, all set up nice and level. So it looks like this RV pad's going to work out great. So anyhow, thanks for stopping by and checking out this RV pad build. So everything's working out. I only had one bad spot here that sunk here and right here, but that's okay. All the rest of it is solid. So anyhow, my next up is to get this area taken care of so I could get my truck parked back up in here. I think this RV pad is going to work out great. I just back up there to it and hook up and take off down that direction and on out. Our first RV trip will be towards the end of May. It'd be like a shakedown trip. It'd be the first time we took this fifth wheel out. Well, anyhow, thanks for stopping by and checking out this RV pad build. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.